Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a game changer for the modern economy, generative AI. For small businesses, this isn't just a trend, it's a massive productivity boost. Imagine automating your content creation, streamlining customer service, and analyzing complex data in seconds. That's the power of AI at work. By leveraging these tools, SMBs can now compete with global giants on a fraction of the budget. Authority, efficiency, and scale, all within reach. But how do you start? Focus on one core workflow first. Whether it's marketing or operations, the ROI is real. So, is your business ready for the AI revolution? Let's break it down together. Thanks for watching and stay ahead of the curve. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one. Revolutionize your business today.